Welcome to Bahasa Indonesia Lesson 13B. Exercises, reading and comprehension. Bertamasya, which is to have a holiday or to go for a tour somewhere. Bertamasya. Jika hari bagus, kita dapat bertamasya keluar kota. If it's a good day, we get to go on a picnic or a holiday out of the town. Di Indonesia, banyak sekali tempat yang indah-indah. In Indonesia, there are so many beautiful places. Kalau kita tinggal di Jakarta, pada hari libur baik sekali kita pergi ke daerah-daerah yang dingin. Misalnya ke Puncak atau ke Cipanas, yang letaknya lebih dari 1000 meter di permukaan laut, dari permukaan laut. If we live in Jakarta on a holiday, it's really good that we go to the regions, the cooler regions. For example, to Puncak or Cipanas, that are situated 1,000 meters above sea level. Siapa yang bermobil sendiri, pergi dengan keluarga naik mobil. Whoever has their own car can go with their families in a car. Di Bogor, yang sejuk hawanya, kita lewat Istana Presiden. In Bogor, where the weather is very cool, or where the weather is cool, we pass by the Presidential Palace. Di pekarangan yang luas, kelihatan banyak rusa yang sedang makan rumput. In the grounds that are wide, that are big, there are seen deer eating grass. Dari Bogor, jalan mulai mendaki. From Bogor, the road rises. Udara makin lama, makin sejuk. The weather, the further we go or the longer we go, the cooler it gets. Di Cibulan, sudah terasa dingin. By Cibulan, it is already feeling very cold. Kiri kanan jalan terdapat rumah-rumah yang warna kuning, hijau, biru, merah, dan sebagainya. On the left and right of the road, we see there are houses that are yellow, green, blue, red, and other colors. Di depan rumah-rumah itu kelihatan bermacam-macam bunga. In front of these houses, we see a variety of flowers. Di Cibulan, mobil kita berhenti. In Cibulan, we stop. Mari kita berjalan kaki ke kolam renang. Come on, let's walk to the swimming pool. Kita singgah ke tempat berenang. We called in to the place to swim. Di sana sudah banyak orang. There were already many people there. Kita buka pakaian kita dan kita tukar dengan pakaian renang. We exchanged our clothes for swimming costumes. That is, swimming apparel. Mari kita ikut berenang. Come on, let's all join in to swim. Airnya biru dan sejuk sekali. The water is blue and very cool. Banyak anak-anak bermain sambil berteriak. Many children were playing and yelling at the same time. Di restoran, banyak pula orang makan-makan dan minum-minum. In the restaurant, there were also many people eating and drinking. Di dekat pintu masuk, banyak orang menjual barang-barang untuk tanda mata. Near the entrance gate, there were many people selling souvenirs. Banyak orang asing membeli barang-barang itu. Many of the foreigners were buying those things. Kalau kita sudah letih, letih is another word for capek. Much more commonly we use the word capek nowadays for tired. Kalau kita sudah letih berenang, kita keluar dari kolam. If we're already tired of swimming, we can leave the pool. Kita pergi makan bersama-sama di bawah pohon yang teduh. We went to eat together under a shady tree. Kira-kira pukul 2 kita terus dengan mobil ke puncak. At about 2 o'clock, we continued on by car to puncak. Di jalan, kelihatan banyak bis-bis penuh dengan orang bertamasya. On the road, we see many buses full of people on holidays or enjoying themselves, picnicking. Sebelum pulang kembali ke Jakarta, kita membeli sayur-sayuran, buah-buahan, dan kembang-kembang. Before we returned home to Jakarta, we bought vegetables, fruit, and flowers. Kita dapat pula menginap di hotel-hotel di Cipanas. We also got to stay at a hotel in Cipanas. Sayang, besok kita harus bekerja. Unfortunately, tomorrow we have to work. Di Cipanas, udara sangat dingin. In Cipanas, the weather is very cold. Anak-anak dapat naik kuda dengan membayar Rp2.500 per jam, sejam. The children got to ride horses for Rp2,500 an hour. Tempat yang indah-indah ini ada di mana-mana. There are many beautiful places like this everywhere. Di Semarang ada Kopeng. Di Surabaya ada Tretes. Di Medan, di Pulau Sumatera, ada Brastagi. In Semarang, there is Kopeng. In Surabaya, there is Tretes. And in Medan, on the island of Sumatra, there is Brastagi. Semuanya adalah tempat-tempat di pegunungan. All of these places are in the mountains. Vocabulary: bangku, bench; daerah, area; dagang, trade; di mana-mana, everywhere or anywhere; hawa, climate; indah, beautiful, but not for women, only for scenery; cantik for women; kadang-kadang, quite often just kadang, sometimes; kolam renang, a swimming pool; laut, sea; letak, location, also to place; taruh is another meaning for letak; letih or capek, tired; libur, holiday; mungkin, probably or maybe; pegunungan, the mountains, the mountain area; pekarangan is a yard; penuh, full; permukaan, level, meaning the surface; pulau, island; ruang, space; rusa, deer; kijang is another word for deer; tanda mata, souvenir; tetangga, neighbor; udara, air or weather; sejuk, cool; teduh, shady; terus, to continue; berenang, to swim; bersama-sama, together, together with; bertamasya, to go on an excursion; bermacam-macam, various; mendaki, to climb; menginap, to stay overnight. That is, menginap, to stay at a hotel, rather than tinggal is to live. Menginap for hotels. Kelihatan, to be seen. Terasa, to be felt. Terdapat, to be found. Tukar, to change. Good luck with it all. Until lesson 14, selamat belajar.